Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing great wherever you are in the world. Thank you for taking the time to check it out my bonus page that I'm going to show you in a little bit. So this is my review of a product called $0 to $100 in less of 24 hours. So stick around. But before we begin, I'm going to tell you that please do me a favor. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you don't want to miss a new video that I'm making in the near future, don't forget to click the bell icon so you can get notified when a new video is coming up. So right now I'm going to take you to the members area of a product called $0 to $100 in less of 24 hours. And this product is made by John Armstrong alongside Brandon Mays and Tom E. You know what? His appeal to me in a very good way is that actually someone who is willing to take the time of start over from scratch with no connections, no big mail list, no tools and all that, to actually start all over and teach you how it's done is a very knowledgeable. What would the word that I would use is great. It's a good sign of trust, because no one is willing to do this kind of thing, And inside of this course, you're going to find modules with a new, not say a new, but a different approach of making this kind of money. So I'm going to take you to the members area. I'm on inside. Yes, and you can see I'm inside the members area of this product. You can see here right now Jono, introduction by him.
Hi there, my name is Jono Armstrong and I'd like to welcome you to...
He's showing here as well what he has done. In here you're going to find a case study of being inside of a newish JVSU account, and make it all happen from scratch, using free tools and also using a new YouTube channel. And you're going to see here that he's making another YouTube channel with 12 subscribers, not with his usually 40-50,000 subscribers on his regular or his another channel, that you're going to see in the period of 24 hours for using a newbie JVSU account, the ability to make it happen, $100 at least in 24 hours. You're going to find here how to structure, how to present yourself, asking for affiliate links, how to prepare yourself, how to make a schedule and all that. So I'm not going to show you everything because I value my time and yours as well. So I'm going to take you to my bonus. This is me page that is coming down on 11:59 on Friday the 30th of November. So like I said, this is a product made by John Armstrong, Tom E, and Brandon Mays. There's another video from me, and you're going to see under tight supervision, you're going to spend 24 hours with only public internet connection to make $100 with no advantages. So he's been disguising or posing, whatever the word you can come up with, a new guy, unknown guy with no connections, no tools, free tools mostly, and make it all happen. So for me, being able to pick his brain for, have his knowledge of do and not do to get, a shortcut of making at least, I don't know, $50, $20, or even $100 or more. Obviously, it's not guaranteed that you can make $100 if you buy. You have to put the work. For me, is priceless. And if you get this product, I'm going to show you how much it is costing you. For less than $13, you are going to have on your hands the opportunity to make, if you put the work, of $100. There we go. $12.95. You can increase maybe $1, maybe 50 cents, maybe 75 cents, but for you to have his knowledge, what he has learned, and to avoid the pitfalls of this industry, for $12, $13 is a excuse me, is a total bargain, So if you want to have this product, I'm going to provide you with a link, so if you find it interested to have this product through me, you're going to have this access for $12, $13. It's a dime sale. And if you have a little buying power, I'm going to show you also the price and upsells as well to better prepare you to have success in less time. Of course, it's not guaranteed actually, because you have to have a crystal ball of knowing who is going to buy, who's not to buy, and all that. But you have to be very persistent, very cautious of the fact that you're not going to get a sale if you don't put the work. Period. If you buy the product and put it in a drawer and hoping that you're gonna get $100 and not do the job, well, good luck. Okay, the upsells. You're gonna get a free traffic training of $37, and you're going to get a search of free traffic with this method. And with 197 comes the upgrade number 2. That is actually a retargeting way to make a lot of sales for a year at least. Okay, Jono is going to show you how to do this properly. The done for you funnels is the upgrade number 3, and you can get it at $67. Let me tell you something. When you get buyers from you, someone buys from you, you will get their email, okay, in your list. Excuse me. And when you get that email in your autoresponder, that is a buyer, okay, and you need to follow with them. make a relationship, a good relationship with them, and you will have their trust. And with the funnels that are done for you, you can get it. All right. The upper number 4, you can get lifetime campaigns without to pay a recurring fee again. You can get it for $197, or you can get it at $497 a trial and 37 months a month. Okay, and this is, for me, has blown me away. So what? $97 you can get license rights, $100 commissions. What it is, I mean, after that, paying the $97, you can get this product and you can sell it as you want. You can. The only thing you need to worry about is the traffic and how to make a perspective of your product, and you can get 100% of all commissions, front end and the upsells and downsells. Okay, this is the case study. So Jono has made of this.
Hey, what's
product.
going on, everyone? This is Jono here, and welcome to this case study. So we're right at the beginning of this case study right now. I'm just going to search.
All right, and I'm going to take you now with my bonuses that has been given to me especially and exclusively to me. So, bonus number 1, value of $29.95 is a crazy traffic explosion. What it is a directory, so to speak, or a list of 20 pay-per-click networks. I mean, you can explore, you can do whatever you want with them. PPC networks, they are networks exclusively to self clicks with a certain amount of dollars, and you can get this list as a bonus from me if you buy upgrade number 1, upgrade number 3, or upgrade number 5. Each of them doesn't matter. You can get this bonus as well if you buy number 1, number 3, or number 5. And the second bonus value of $46.95 is called this 7 deadly sins of email marketing. You know, this is a video by Dalton Scott and Shaheen Dehastani showing what is not do or what should not do if you're doing excuse me, more email marketing. Okay, so by this means, by any means, you should have this bonus from it, because it's going to have a perspective of what not to do when you build your list. Okay, so it is going to, I'm going to give you, if you buy, like I said, upper number 1, number 3, or number 5. As a bonus, number 3 is the 10K email manifesto, and this is valued at $40.95, and this is an even deeper perspective of what you do and what you not to do, you know, in this business, email marketing. And you can get it from me if you buy upgrade number 1, number 3, or number 5. Each one of them doesn't matter. You can get it. Okay. This is, I mean, well, this is value of $344 as bonus number 4. You know, I'm going to give you free access to Awakening. So this is a product made by Brendan Mays, Shaheen Dehastani, and Dalton Scott. And it is, what is inside of this product is actually how to build a strong relationship with your list, with your contact. And someone says, the money is in the list. That's wrong. The money is in relationship and good relationship with your list. Okay, and they are showing you how to, you know, build a strong relationship with your list, with your contacts, with making tutorial for them. And this course is coming alongside with bonus as well. I'm going to give you these scores and the bonuses as well. And you can get this product if you buy all the upgrades. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Doesn't matter if you buy the upsell or the downsell. Okay, and that's not the end. Bonus number 5, I'm going to give you free access to the Fuego Multiply. So this is a retargeting course to show you how to multiply a tiny amount of time and money to turn it into a good amount of dollars. And this is value of $200, and you will get it if you buy all upgrades. Okay, word of advice. Like I said, if you buy upgrade number 1, number 3, or number 5, you can get my exclusive bonus. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. Doesn't matter. But if you buy all the bonuses, all the upgrades, or downsell, number 4 is fine. I'm going to give you all the bonuses that have been provided for me exclusively. Okay, and you will have to go to my personal email, support@johnpaul.pw, with the purchase receipt showing me which upgrades have you bought, and I'm going to hook you up with your bonuses. Okay, so without further ado, thank you very much for spending time with me. I hope you have had a great time, and to your success. Alright, so thank you very much and happy buying.